Di. Yam.
Yam.
Inaan mo yan, Paul. Di. Yam.
Yam.
Diyam.
Yam. Ipa nga.
An Irish word meaning do.
Listen, word, to.
Diyam.
Yam.
Meaning
Meaning,
in English
in English,
do.
to.
Do.
To.
Do.
Do.
Parang do pero do siya do. Do. Na. Jin. Jermat. Jermat. Na. Jin. Jermat. Do not forget. Forget. For. Get. 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 Do not forget. Ayan, ibig sabihin yan, huwag kalimutan. Do not forget. Huwag kalimutan. Huwag kalimutan. Do not forget. Najin Jermat. Najin Jermat. Do not forget. Gino Hina. Gino Hina. Do it yourself. Yourself. Self. Gino Hina. Gino Hina. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Tama. At here, Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy. Ahir, Nadine, joke, yeah. Ahir, Nadine, joke, hai. Lord, have mercy. Ahir, Nadine, joke, yeah. Bali, ano lang, 4 na lang to, ay 5. Gijon, Pet, Harry, Jean, John, Pet. Ibig sabihin, Harry. Dean, Jean, John, Pet. Jean, John, Pet. Harry. Jean, John,
John,
Pet,
Beth,
Harry,
Mary,
Nadine,
Nadine,
Obel,
Obel,
don't,
Son,
don't,
Don,
exaggerate,
San, Daray,
Nadine,
Nadine,
Obel,
Obel,
don't,
Don,
exaggerate,
Solid,
Nadine,
Nadine,
Obel,
Obel,
Nadine,
Nadine,
Obel,
Obel,
don't,
Lu,
exaggerate,
La, Nilip,
Nadine,
Nadine,
Obel,
Obel,
don't,
Dom,
exaggerate,
Celebrate,
Jen,
Jane,
Ak,
Ak,
Her,
Hair,
Jen,
Jane,
Ak, Her,
Hair,
Ak,
Ak,
Her,
Hair,
do,
To,
exercise.
Say,
Ano yung exercise?
napapapayat,
Tama. Yun yung tinatawag na Jen, Ak, Her. Don't do exercise. Jen, Ak, Her, do exercise. Jen,
Jane,
Jen,
Jen,
Ak,
Ak,
Kawak,
Kawak,
make an appeal.
Nike, Apin,
Make an appeal.
Mer, Apin,
Jen, Ak,
Ak,
Jen, Ak,
Gen, Ak,
Kawak,
Awak,
Jen, Ak,
Gen,
Kawak,
Kawak,
make an
Make,
appeal.
Apil,
Jen Amar,
Gen, Amar,
get out.
Gerald,
Jen Amar,
Gen, Amar,
get out.
Gerald,
Jen Amar,
Gen, Amar,
get out.